Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to activate your Spectrum eSIM on your mobile device, then this video is for you. So first, here you can see I'm on a page where you can find 3 steps. That select your device, customize your plan. You have to purchase the plan from here. You can find the 3 plan that you can purchase. Now then you can activate your account. Now here is the method that how you can activate your account. Here is support that you can go to the spectrum.net/support/mobile/spectrum mobile eSIM activation, and you can find all of the details about the mobile activation. Now you have to choose one of these from here, like I'm activating my device or I'm switching my device here. Now simply get started, and you have to choose the device that you are using the eSIM. For example, iPhone. So the Apple device, you have to simply click on it. I order a new device or from the Spectrum, or I bought my own device. So you can simply click on the next based on the situation. Now you have to choose the model that you are going to use. So for example, this one here. Now here is the activation instruction. You can find that your device has an embedded SIM card, the eSIM, so there is no need to insert the physical SIM card. So if you are switching your Spectrum mobile service to a new device, then follow this instruction, that is, go to the activation dashboard and follow the instruction to activate your line. For best result, they can recommend you that you use a separate device that is connected to the internet. If you have already activated, proceed to next step. So you can use another device that doesn't connect it with that eSIM. Then turn your new device on, then connect your device to a Wi-Fi network and complete the initial setup screen. Then follow the prompts to download eSIM to complete device activation, or send a text message to call and make a call to connect activation was successful. Or otherwise, you can do is you can go to your settings on your iPhone, then go to the device. You can find the device option. From the device, you can find add eSIM, and then you have to scan the QR code. Simply click on it, and you can find this QR code on the activation page, and you have to scan that QR code, and you're good to go to turn or to activate your eSIM. Or otherwise, you can do is if it's Android device, then you can choose the Android device here. So here the same thing, yes, and from here you have to choose the Android device here. So I'm going to choose one here. Now here's the activation instruction. Make sure that your mobile device does support eSIM. So if you're switching your Spectrum mobile service to a new device like this here, the same thing you have to do is go to your dashboard, activation dashboard, and there you can find all the instruction. Or otherwise, you can do is if you are using Samsung devices, then you can go to the settings, then go to the connections, then you can find SIM manager, then you can find add an eSIM and scan the QR code. You can find the QR code scanner option, then you can scan the QR code on that activation page. Or if you are using the Google Pixel phones, then you can go to the settings, then you can find network and internet, then you can find SIMs, then add SIMs or scan the QR code. So make sure that your phone does support eSIM. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time.